What's up, guys? So, last night was a little crazy. It was like so much rain. I gotta fix this lens. Yeah, last night was pretty gnarly. Like the rain, it rained a lot. I got like a warning on my phone, like flooding. I went to drive to the bank this morning, had to run an errand. They had the road closed behind my house, and they do this when it floods because there's literally a creek right behind my house. So, um, had the road closed off, and I could see the water is just came over the creek onto the park over here. And I've filmed actually a few different videos on my channel of that creek in the park. It's called Fossil Creek Park, and right now I can actually hear the water running, and they have it closed off. So I thought it would be really cool to get my drone now that it stopped raining, get the drone out and go see what it looks like and all the damage, all the water, what all that looks like right now. So that's what we're gonna do.